has left me tired and weary, with burdens I could hardly bear. But when the Sabbath light is shining, I know my Father, you are there. I leave the worries of tomorrow, I lay my heavy heart below, and in the silence of your presence, you remind me I am yours. I don't have to run anymore, I don't have to carry it all. Here in your presence, Lord, I can finally let go. When Sabbath comes, I come to you with every tear and every fear. I lay my burdens at your feet and find that you are always near. When Sabbath comes, my heart can rest. Your gentle love surrounds me. Oh Lord, this day belongs to you, and in your arms I am free. There were moments I felt broken, there were prayers I could not say, but you understood my silence, and you never turned away. And now I hear your voice so softly, calling me to rest again. And the peace you give my spirit is a peace the world can't give. I don't have to run anymore, I don't have to carry it all. Here in your presence, Lord, I can finally let go. When Sabbath comes, I come to you with every tear and every fear. I lay my burdens at your feet and find that you are always near. When Sabbath comes, my heart can rest. Your gentle love surrounds me. Oh Lord, this day belongs to you, and in your arms I am free. Thank you for this holy moment, thank you for your faithful love. When my strength has disappeared, you remind me who you are. Creator, Father, my Redeemer, my heart will sing your name from evening until evening. Your goodness still remains. I bring my brokenness before you and find my healing in your embrace. When Sabbath comes, my soul can rest. My fears are washed away. Oh Lord, forever I will praise you for giving me this Sabbath day. So let my heart be still, let every